Hey yo, quiz champs, you just landed on Quizlaxy. Let's put your knowledge to the test and how good is your knowledge of wild animals. We've got 30 super tricky questions waiting for you today. And you only have 9 seconds for each one, so there's no time to overthink. Alright, hit that subscribe button. And in 3, 2, 1, go Vu go Vu go. Let's start off easy. The octopus or the squid? Who is better at hiding? Great choice. It's the octopus. A true master of disguise. Which animal uses tools more often, an otter or a dolphin? Otter use rocks to open shells. Which one can survive without water the longest? Ding dong. It's none other than a camel. Which animal's tongue is longer than its body? The chameleon. Who runs silently, the lion or the tiger? The tiger. They move almost without making any noise. The puma or the wolf? Who can jump higher? The puma. They can leap several meters into the air. Who is better at solving puzzles, a crow or a parrot? It's the crow. Did you get it right? Which animal can survive the coldest temperatures? The penguin. Well, that's super cool. Can the camel or the giraffe? Who's got the longest neck? Giraffe is nature's tallest. They are next superstars. Which animal can survive the longest without any oxygen underwater? Boom. The answer is the turtle. Which animal is more poisonous, the snake or the frog? The frog. Some poison dart frogs are extremely toxic. Which animal falls asleep while eating? A sea otter or a horse? The sea otter. They can nap while floating. Who can hold their breath the longest? The whale. Some species dive for over an hour. Which animal has the longest tongue? The anteater's tongue can be longer than its head. Which creature can freeze itself to survive cold? The frog or the penguin? The answer is frog. Some frogs, like wood frogs, can do that. Who's got better night vision, the cat or the owl? The answer, the owl. They see extremely well in complete darkness. Dolphin or tiger? Which animal is more social? It's the dolphin. They live and hunt in groups. Who can fly the highest? The eagle or the vulture? It's the vulture. They can soar at extreme altitudes. Between a dolphin and a seal, who is quicker in the water? Right on. The dolphin wins this race with its incredible speed. Which one has stronger jaws, the hippo or the crocodile? Crocodile bites are more powerful. Which animal is the most venomous? Yes, the black widow spider packs one of the most powerful venom of any spider. Which animal sleeps the most? Correct. The sleepy koala can snooze for up to 20 hours a day. Last round, which insect can fly backwards? A bee or a dragonfly? the dragonfly. One of the most agile flyers. That was awesome. Thank you for playing. If you enjoyed the game, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for even more fun challenges. Choose your next game and let's keep the fun going. See you next time. Bye bye.